As you can see, I have the other window in. I had videotaped the installation of it. I had my camera set up over here, and well, as you can see right here, I was setting it up and that was it. It did not record anything, so I didn't record any of the installation of the window, which you've seen a number of times anyway, different windows. But bedroom, this is the master bedroom, and then this is the guest room. The guest room will be our living room and kitchen. I'm gonna set up a temporary kitchen right there in that closet. And we're gonna move into this, and then the other half of the house, after we get moved in here, I'll put a door right here. And then the other half of the house I'll work on while we're living on this side of the house. There's not much been going on with the Alexa, turn on the bathroom light. Not much been going on in here because I went to do the guest bedroom. This is all pretty much the same. Alexa, turn off the bathroom light. I sheetrocked this too while I was doing that room. It's the only thing left in this bedroom. These are the windows on the south facing, and this is the west facing windows. As you can see, they're a bit smaller than the originals. Put some white tape on there to kind of help seal it off until I get the siding on.